In this video, we will look at the SMMSCAP module. If a district is required to complete a compliance action plan or CAP, DESE will create the CAP and fill in the issue and area of noncompliance sections on the tool. The district will complete the cause of noncompliance, corrective steps and timeline, evidence to be submitted in timeline, and the person who is responsible for the sections. We will walk through each of these components. From the dashboard, click the View button on the Compliance Action Plan module. Once you're in the CAP, you will be able to see the issue area and the area of noncompliance. If there's more than one, then scroll down the screen to see additionals. On our example, there's only one. Once you're in the CAP, you will click the blue Edit button. This opens the CAP for editing. Scroll down to the cause of noncompliance and click in the box. You can then type in the root cause. Scroll to the bottom of the screen to save. The module does not automatically save, so you will want to save often using the Save feature at the bottom of the screen. Once you save, you will have to click the blue Edit button again to re-enter edit mode. Next, we will look at how to add a corrective step. Click the blue Add Corrective Step button and a pop-up opens. Type in the corrective step that you will do. Select a date the step will be completed using the calendar in the timeline date, if any, field. Click Add to save the data entered. Repeat as many times as necessary to add all the needed corrective steps. Once you've added a corrective step, you can edit individual steps by clicking the blue Edit button. If you need to remove a step, click the red trash can. A pop-up will ask if you are sure you want to delete. If you don't, click Cancel. Once you are finished entering the corrective steps, click Save. Again, click the blue button to enter the edit mode. And now we will look at adding evidence. Click the Add an Evidence button, and a pop-up will open. Type in the evidence, and then select the date on the timeline date, if any, field using the calendar to enter the date that you will submit your evidence to DESE. Once you're ready with the information in this field, click Add. Repeat as many times as needed until all the evidence is entered. If you need to edit an evidence step, click the Edit button. If you need to delete a step, then click the trash can. Again, a pop-up will ask if you're sure you want to delete. The next step is naming a person who is going to be responsible for ensuring the steps in this CAP are completed. You can click a user from the drop-down, or if the user you need is not listed, if the person's not listed, you can type their name in the field to the right. When you are finished, click Save. You will repeat these steps for each CAP that has been issued to the district. Once a CAP draft is complete, contact your SEA. DESE will schedule a call to review and make any needed edits to the CAP. After DESE and the district agree on the items in the CAP, it will need the superintendent's signature. The superintendent will log into SMMS, open the CAP module, scroll to the bottom, and then click Sign and Approve. CAP evidence will be submitted in specific modules. Upload student-level corrections to the student report. Upload additional evidence to the corresponding item on the question report. Upload other evidence such as training materials, procedures, etc. to the file center. Thank you for watching this video. Contact the Monitoring and Program Effectiveness team if you have questions.